Alright, well, today I'm headed out to pick up my good friend Dakota, and we're headed out to the Allegheny River. We're going to be fishing for flathead catfish and anything else we can catch. He has his minnow trap set right now, so hopefully we got a good amount for tonight. Hopefully we can catch some walleyes or something to hold us over till the flatheads start hitting. And yeah, we're going to take it from here. Alright, I'm here with my buddy Dakota.
Hello.
We're gonna get some, we got our minnow trap down here. Looks like it's full, huh?
Yep, looks good.
Alright, go ahead and pull it up. Oh my. Alright, nice. Definitely got enough bait, that's for sure. Okay, so we got all our gear packed up here. We got enough gear here for a whole camping trip. But yeah, we're gonna get down to the river and we'll see you down there. All right, here we are. Finally made it down here. It's about 6 o'clock, so we're gonna be planning on fishing down here for at least 4 hours. And usually the flatheads don't start hitting until about 9 or 10 o'clock, so we got a little while. I'm gonna just try to fish for some walleye and some bass maybe. Hopefully catch something to keep us occupied. He just ran up to the car to grab a few other things, and yeah, we're gonna fish here for a while and hopefully catch some stuff. Here's a better look at where we're fishing at here. Nice bank. It's a little bit messy back here. Looks like some kids were partying, but yeah, the dam's right there. Water's really high, so there's definitely a lot of fish in here, but hopefully we do good. Alright, so the first rod's baited up with some chicken liver. Now I just gotta wait and see if something hits it. Got all the rods out. Dakota's over there. Dakota, what do you got on your rod?
Chubs.
Couple chubs?
Yep.
Yeah, we're planning on staying here for at least 3 or 4 hours, so hopefully they're hitting tonight. Here we go. First fish of the night. Feels decent.
Does it? Nice.
Probably not. It's definitely a catfish though. It's not bad. Oh, it's a turtle. Look at that. Wow. Don't see that every day. Jeez. Here he goes. Well, what just happened, Dakota?
Fish almost pulled my rod in the water.
Yeah, we was too busy messing with my turtle, and his rod about flew in the water.
That was one heck of a bite.
You get the bait? Still there? What's it look like?
Just grabbed it and let it go, I guess.
Oh man. Well, we can get it back out there. Maybe we'll hit it again.
Well, Brent caught a gar. It all
There he
happened
is.
too quick for us to get it on video, but here it is.
Pretty cool fish. First one I ever caught. Almost looks prehistoric. Get a release of this thing. Wow, there he goes.
That was cool. Brent just set the hook on what we think is a channel cat.
Yeah,
What's it feel like, Brent?
Feels decent. I think it's definitely a catfish. Here it is, yep. Not bad. There it is, right in the lip. Not too
Nice.
bad. Get him here. Yeah, little.
Nice channel.
Starting off the night good.
Well, Brent caught a sauger.
Pretty looking fish.
Catching all kinds of different species today.
Yeah, it's getting towards the time where we think we're gonna catch some flatheads here soon, so I'll let this guy go and. Alright, that's that. Well, it's dark now. We're just waiting on flathead to hit. I just had a real nice gar on, probably about almost 3 feet. I was letting it take it for about a good minute, and I just couldn't get a hook set on him. But we're gonna give her hell for another hour or two, and yeah, we'll see what happens. What do you think, Dakota?
I think our chances of catching a flathead should be pretty good tonight. The water's pretty still, which is good. Our stuff's finally sitting on the bottom. So we're gonna give it hell, see what happens.
Well, Dakota hooked into something pretty decent here, it looks like. What do you think he is, Dakota?
I think it's a catfish of some sort. I don't think it's not too big.
Got him on a about a 3-inch sucker. What do we got there? Okay, nice. It's a flathead. Look at that. There he is.
Nice.
It's a little guy.
It's not too bad.
No, not bad at all. What do you think he is?
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. Well, Dakota just caught a gar. There he is. Not bad. These guys have been messing with our stuff all night. It's nice to see we can actually get a couple of them.
Yep.
It's his first gar.
It's a crazy looking fish.
That's awesome.
That's so cool.
Nice. Well, Dakota has a gar running right now. Just waiting, he's gonna set the hook here. See if he can get him.
It's real important to let these really take it, because if not, they'll just drop it off.
Right.
They'll just let it sit there in their mouths, and then when they feel tension, they'll let it go.
What are you thinking?
Just gonna give it a little more time, and then I'm gonna set it.
Got him?
Yep, he's on.
Nice.
Gar on.
Nice. There we go. Oh, come off.
Either that or fit got off.
Can't get them all.
Well, I still have my hook at least.
Nice. Oh, keep on trying. Still fighting them here. It is a big fish. This is what we came here for. Best night on the Allegheny so far.
It's definitely a flathead because I had a big bluegill on. It's coming in.
Good thing you got a net, boy.
What did you think when you felt it?
It's big. It's definitely about the size of the one you got here last year.
Yeah, probably. I don't think it's over 30 pounds. It's probably 20, 25.
Unless unless he's just not fighting hard till he gets in here closer.
When it sees it, that's gonna really take off. I don't know. It might not be as big as I thought.
No?
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
It's about 5 minutes later. He's still fighting this fish. Feels like a real nice flathead. That line is zipping out of that reel.
I tightened my drag a little bit, try to get it in quicker. I don't think it's quite as big as I thought, but it's big.
Definitely what we came here for. Allegheny River. There he goes.
Had him close that time.
Well,
Oh my God.
here's Dakota's flathead. That's what we came here for, folks. That is a river monster at its finest. What a fish.
Oh my God, it's so heavy.
That is the biggest fish I've honestly seen in person. Caught. What a beast. Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you.
We're gonna get a tape on this guy, get some measurements, and we're gonna get some pictures here. All right, Dakota's letting go his beast of a fish. There he is there. We weighed him out. He's 43 inches and 32 pounds.
It's like a cow. Good, buddy.
Get those lungs.
Holy
Goes.
crap. Look at that monster.
Nice. That's how we do it.
That's what it's all about. That's why we come here.
Allegheny River.
Woo!
All right. We're going to end it on that note. Awesome.